Have you ever wondered about running two operating systems on a single machine? Or are you worried to find a safe environment to run files which you think are infected? In today's world, virtualization offers this utility with its efficiency and scalability. One such platform which offers virtualization is VirtualBox. And today in this video, I will show you how to operate VirtualBox, and I will also run Android on VirtualBox as a test while using Windows operating system. Let's start with understanding what is VirtualBox. A VirtualBox is a virtualization platform that allows you to run and manage virtual machines on your computer. It was originally developed by a German company called Innotech GmbH in 2007. Later, it was acquired by Sun Microsystems, which is another American company. But now it's acquired by Oracle since 2010, and so it's known as Oracle VirtualBox. VirtualBox provides a user-friendly environment for managing virtual machines. Either it is software testing or application development, VirtualBox provides an isolated environment for this. It works on the principle of virtualization, and it abstracts much of physical resources from your system, including CPU, RAMs, and cores, and allocate it into virtual machines. Let's proceed with its download and installation. Before downloading it, you have to check that your virtualization is either on or off. You can check it in Task Manager in the Performance. Here it will be given. But if it's off, you can simply enable it by just searching for Turn Windows feature on or off. Once you have clicked on that option, it will appear and you have to click on it. Here an option will be given Virtual Machine Platform. Once you have found it, enable this. This will turn on your virtualization. After that, restart your PC and it will make sure that changes are. After restarting, just open your Chrome browser and search for VirtualBox. Once it's typed, click enter it, and the first website that open it. And here you will find a button called Download VirtualBox 7.0. Just click on that button and it will demand you your operating system. I have Windows, so I will click on Windows. And I have already downloaded it, so I will not do it again. But you have to download it. And after that, another file should be installed, which is named as Android 86. And you have to search for it. And the first website that appears, just click on it. And there two options will be demanded. You have to click on download from FOSS-Hub, as it is more safe and convenient. Here two files will be given, RPM and ISO. You have to download ISO and choose your system as it is 32 or 64-bit. Once you have clicked on ISO file, it will start installing. Now you have to install VirtualBox after downloading. Just make sure to next every option here and it will automatically install the VirtualBox for you. And so the VirtualBox will be installed on your system. Proceed with running Android on VirtualBox. For running Android, just open your VirtualBox as usual. And make sure to click on the new button there. In the new button, you have to name that system as Android. I will name it as Android 8. And I will select its location wherever I want to set it. And so it will be set it. And I will drag that disk image file which I have downloaded recently. And it will automatically select the operating system. Make sure to select the RAM as minimum 4 GB and processors to minimum 2. This will give you optimum performance. And just click on next, and all these settings should recommend. I will recommend it to set on default. And we will have to just nudge a little bit of settings here. And in the operating system type, click on others, and the other option also click on others. And the rest of setting is not as important. In the system, make sure to click the pointing device to USB table. And in the automation, make sure to select the option as KVM. And in the display, video RAM should be 128 MB and VBox VGA option should be enabled, and the rest of setting is not as useful. Make sure to set it as default. Then double click on the Android. It will start powering our virtual machine up. Wait for it to open, and it will start booting up VirtualBox 7.0. And in the advanced option here, make sure to click on auto installation, and it will start installing our Android up. Wait for it till it installs. Just a little bit of formalities, so you will have to wait for it, and it will take a little bit of time, but don't worry. And once it's completed, the Android will start to boot up, so wait for it. Just yes set that option, and the Android will start launching up. You can see the Android logo has appeared, and the Android has also launched. You can see it. Make sure to click on the start option here, and it will start launching our Android. It is a little bit laggy as it's using a lot of system resources, but it will be fixed. Just click on quick step here and open the Play Store. You can see that it's available now. In the Play Store, make sure to sign in it, and that just Android will launch up. So this was all, but if you want to learn about new VirtualBox called Windows Sandbox, just watch the video on the screen. I will meet you there. Goodbye.